Eliminating follow-up failure is one of your biggest responsibilities as an agency owner. With any successful sales system in today's automated world, you must ensure that all leads get followed up with and no lead gets left behind. Leads are like the lifeblood of any successful business, and you must treat them like gold if you expect to scale your business. To ensure that no lead gets left behind, you need a healthy mix of automation and the personal touch follow-up. Here are a couple of mind maps showing you some of the automated pieces that you need to have in place to ensure that no lead falls through the cracks. But with higher ticket items, to close them, you must keep the personal touch in there, meaning you're going to have to pick up the phone or maybe shoot a quick personal Loom video. Well, personal touch takes a lot of time. You're managing your agency, family, friends, leads. It's very easy to forget or more likely just simply run out of time. The best way to manage this to make sure nothing falls through the crack is to get a very simple but effective pipeline management system. Here's an example of a pipeline from Infusionsoft. Now, if you're really savvy, you'll integrate your sales pipeline management in with a real-time KPI dashboard like the one you see on the screen now. When you combine the lead source data, the lead flow data, with the pipeline and sales closing data, the entire game changes. You now have complete transparency into one of your agency's largest expenses, your customer acquisition cost. To achieve this, you must have a clear map of exactly what your agency sales system looks like. We provide this map for you in our done-for-you agency sales system. With our agency sales system, it is the perfect mix between prospect vetting, automation, the personal touch, and real-time KPIs.